respected chief guests, scientists, officers, staff members, friends, family members, and dear retirees, good evening to all. Today is a special and emotional occasion as we gather here at the Central Horticultural Experiment Station, Vejalpur, to honor three respected colleagues, Shri Bati Patelia, Shri Ragi Bhai, and Shri Kalu Bhai, who are retiring after many years of dedicated service. Retirement is not merely the end of a career, it is a celebration of a lifetime of hard work, commitment, honesty, and service. It is a moment when we look back with gratitude and pride and look ahead with hope and happiness. Throughout their service, Shri Bati Patelia, Shri Ragi Bhai, and Shri Kalu Bhai have been more than employees. They have been pillars of this institution. Their dedication has contributed significantly to the growth and success of CHES Vejalpur. Through changing times, new technologies, and numerous challenges, they remained sincere, disciplined, and committed to their duties. Their work may not always have been visible to everyone, but the impact of their efforts can be seen in every achievement of this station. Research activities, maintenance of experimental fields, support to scientists, and smooth functioning of day-to-day operations have all benefited from their tireless contributions. What makes them truly special is not only their hard work but also their character. They have always been known for their humility, honesty, helpful nature, and friendly attitude. They earn the respect of their colleagues not through position or authority, but through their actions and integrity. To the younger generation of employees, these gentlemen serve as role models. Their lives teach us valuable lessons. Perform your duties sincerely, respect your colleagues, remain humble regardless of circumstances. Serve the institution with loyalty and dedication. Leave behind a legacy of goodwill and friendship. As they retire today, they carry with them the affection, gratitude, and best wishes of the entire CHES family. Though they may no longer come to the office every day, the memories they created and the contributions they made will remain with us forever. Dear Shri Bati Patelia, Shri Ragi Bhai, and Shri Kalu Bhai, on behalf of all present here, we express our heartfelt appreciation for your years of service. We thank you for your commitment, your cooperation, and the positive spirit you brought to this institution. Retirement opens a new chapter of life, a chapter filled with opportunities to spend more time with family, pursue personal interests, travel, enjoy good health, and experience the joys that busy working years often left little time for. May the coming years bring you good health, peace of mind, happiness and prosperity, the love of your family, and the satisfaction of a life well lived. Although today we bid farewell to your official service, we do not say goodbye. You will always remain valued members of the CHES Vejalpur family. Let us all join together in expressing our sincere gratitude and wishing Shri Bati Patelia, Shri Ragi Bhai, and Shri Kalu Bhai a happy, healthy, and fulfilling retired life. Thank you.